Welcome back. Hy-vee dietitian Katie George back again with a perfect recipe for those temperatures cooling.
Yes, it's getting colder and I love soup. It is just a super great way to add some veggies to your diet. It warms you up and so easy. So we're doing a stovetop recipe today, and our main ingredient, you say it.
Now I can't because my husband says it wrong all the time, so I'm just ingrained. Gnocchi?
Yeah, gnocchi or gnocchi. So this is a product, it's kind of like a dumpling, you know, it very much mimics it, but it's a potato. So if you look at the ingredient here, it says the first ingredient is mashed potatoes. So they're like little mashed potato, little dumplings, but usually in a lot of soups you use rice or noodles, and this is a gnocchi soup.
Yeah.
Yay. So into our pan, we are utilizing just some chicken broth. And, you know, soup is one of those items that I just think is a little extra salty. You know, if you add a bunch of different canned items. So I always do try to buy just the 33% less sodium. Take it down just a little notch here. So we are going to put that into our pan. And for splashing reasons, I did that before the camera started. So into our pan is going to be our broth. We are just going to add a tremendous amount of flavor and vegetables to make this gnocchi stew. We are going to add some diced tomatoes, and so this is one of those dump recipes. You cannot beat that.
Yeah.
So some diced tomatoes. We are also going to add some drained and rinsed kidney beans. So right into our pot is going to be that. A little bit of frozen onions, and so I would say about half of a cup of frozen onions here. As oniony as you want. I'm going to give it a quick stir. From here, any vegetables. So the recipe does call for coined carrots. We're going to just kind of make it a little bit jazzier. We're going to add about a cup of the California mix. And again, this is all frozen. Okay. So you open from frozen or canned, dump it in, and we're calling it a day. We are also going to put just a little bit of squeezed garlic, and I love squeezed garlic. It's so easy, adds so much flavor. Squeezable garlic there. Do that. And then finally, we're going to add our package of gnocchi. Yes, that too.
I'm telling you, my husband's ruined it. He says gnocchi or whatever, you know.
Yes. And now he's just doing it to make you mad, right?
Exactly.
So we're going to add this to our soup as well, and we're just going to give it a nice, good stir. It is a pretty thick and chunky soup. Some soups are a little brothier. This is a little bit heartier. We are going to add just a good handful of spinach as well. It will wilt down with the temperature, with the heat. We're going to stir that in, and honestly, you just want to let it simmer for about 20 minutes on your stovetop. Everything is cooked in here, so it just really needs to heat through, and you are going to have a warm and hearty stew that's just a little bit unique. Ready in 20 minutes. Quick bites right here.
I love it.
You would want to maybe top with a little bit of Parmesan cheese once it gets all hot. Add Parmesan cheese right before serving it. It's going to melt and just be quite delicious. But this is a great way, again, adding tons of great color and vegetables to your diet. And if you want to add chicken, you could add chicken or turkey sausage or anything like this, but this is just a hearty veggie stew, as noted.
Already smells good.
It does smell good.
All right, we'll have the recipe on our website, Nebraska.tv.